Everyone wearing a mask while attending a football game in 1918. In ancient Greece, throwing an apple at someone was considered a marriage proposal. Nearly 3% of the ice in Antarctica glaciers are penguins' urine. In South Korea, number of guests at a wedding is so important that fake guest agencies exist. The world record for time without sleep is 264 hours 11 days by Randy Gardner in 1965. A woman was found skeletonized in her London flat after 3 years of being dead with the TV still running. The Queen of UK is the legal owner of 1/6 part of Earth's land surface. The winter of 1932 was so cold that Niagara Falls froze completely solid. You can buy pills to make your farts smell like roses and chocolate. Scientists lit a hole filled with natural gas on fire in 1971, expecting it would burn only for a few days. The hole has been burning for the past 48 years and is called the door to hell. Meet this man Luke Atkins, who made history when he jumped 25,000 feet out of an airplane without a parachute into a net on the ground. It took him 1.5 years of planning and 6 months of training. North Korea is sitting on 6 to 10 trillion dollar worth of minerals it cannot access due to lack of technology and equipments. In 2013, North Korea's president killed his own uncle by throwing him naked into a cage with 120 starving dogs. When the Titanic sank, only 333 of the bodies were recovered out of 1500 plus. Queen Elizabeth II has the power to fire everyone in Australia's parliament. She did it in 1975. In Finland, temperature gets as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. The trees are covered in so much snow and frost that it looks like landscape from another planet. Mike the chicken lived for 18 months without its head. Walt Disney was a high school dropout and was fired by a newspaper editor because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Before 1913 in United States, parents would mail their kids to grandma through the postal service. Purple is known as a royal color because it was the hardest dye to extract in ancient time. It came from a sea snails and only royalty could afford it. Three Gorges Dam in China is so massive it has actually slowed down the rotation of Earth. If you sell every organ and chemicals in a human body, you would make around $45 million. First morning after Sweden changed from driving on the left side to right, 1967. In 2014, a couple invited Queen Elizabeth to their wedding as a joke and she actually showed up. A man spent 5 months in prison unaware that his bail is $2. The driest place on earth would be Antarctica's dry valleys. It has not rained there for over 2 million years. Saudi Arabia is the only country in the world which has no rivers. Marie Curie notebooks and all her belongings are still radioactive and will remain so for another 1500 years. 10 years old Tilly Smith saved her family and 100 other tourists from 2004 Asian tsunami by recognizing sign of tsunami she had learned in a geography lesson 2 weeks before. The strongest beer in the world is Snake Venom. It has around 67.5% alcohol content. The world record for alcohol consumption is by Andre the Giant, who drank 156 beers, 73 liters in one sitting. Jeff Bezos owned a mountain in West Texas. Inside he is building a 500-foot clock designed to last 10,000 years. The Japanese developed an electric car in 1949 that could travel 200 km on a single charge. Mark Zuckerberg purchased all 4 houses surrounding his house in order to ensure his privacy for a total of $30 million. Pilots and co-pilots do not eat the same food before a flight in case of food poisoning. When Princess Diana went to Disneyland, she made her sons Harry and William wait in line just like everyone else. Australia has over 10,000 beaches. You could visit a new beach every day for over 27 years. It took 4 years to design the iconic Oreo design. Footprints left on the moon's surface won't disappear easily since there is no wind or water. The most expensive nail polish cost $250,000 1.78 crore. The nail polish is made up of 267 real black diamond carats by company Ajacher. 12,000 years old gold coins found in ancient piggy bank in Israel. Michael Lotito is a French entertainer who can literally eat anything. Once ate a plane, it took him 10 years. Sunglasses were originally designed for Chinese judges to hide their facial expression in court. In a German village called Fugger, the rent has not been raised since 1520. It cost just $1 to live entire year. World oldest dress was found in Egypt and is 5,000 years old. Bill Gates was arrested in New Mexico in 1977 for jumping a red light and driving without a license.